Demon Slayer, Kimetsu no Yaiba, the Hinokami Chronicles. You can do this, Tanjiro! Fight me! Alright, let's do this! You can do this! I still remember. A typical morning, the usual faces. A day like any other.
You really don't have to go, you know. All this snow seems dangerous.
Yes, but I want us to have a feast on New Year's. I should sell as much charcoal as I can.
Come back as soon as you can, okay? Be careful out there. Tanjiro. I'll see you later.
Our lives weren't easy, but I was happy. Mother, Takeo, Shigeru, Hanako, Rokta, and Nezuko. I thought it was just going to be an ordinary morning. I didn't know how wrong I'd be.
Illuminated by firelight, a spiritual dance begins. Within the blaze burns a courage tempered by battle. In this conflagration, bonds between warriors are forged. They crystallize together into the pillars of today. Pillars with the strength to slay demons. Even so, the fires of conflict rage on, demons against humans. Within the blaze burns a courage tempered by battle. Within the blaze burns a young man's determination.
Too slow! Sabito's movements are so calculated. If I don't focus, he'll just keep deflecting.
Tanjiro Kamado. You were once so pitiful, but look at you now. You finally learned proper breathing techniques. You've swung your sword thousands of times, even as your arms were screaming in pain. No matter how many times I knocked you down, you got back up and challenged me again. That shows true strength. The fact that I am facing you with a real sword this time proves it. We finish this tonight. Summon every ounce of determination you can muster. I won't be holding back, and neither should you. Now come! find it! Water breathing!
Transform! Constant flux!
Gotta keep it up! Hold it! There you go.
I'm coming after you! There!
Too slow! You lack resolve. Remember what Urokodaki taught you! Move your legs. Don't stop now! If you call yourself a man, then do it! Unless you plan to lie down and die. There's nowhere else to go but forward! Now get up. Grab your sword and face me again!
If you can cut this boulder in two, I'll allow you to enter final selection.
The boulder. To cut it, I need to defeat Sabito. But no matter how many times we fight... Why? Where did I go wrong? How did things turn out this way? I was just living my life, day by day. Doing honest work with my family. We were poor. But we had a nice meal in town once in a while. We were so happy. Whenever happiness is destroyed, you'll find the smell of blood in the air. That awful day. The one night I didn't come home. My mother, my siblings, they all died. They were attacked by a demon. And that was it. It must have been painful. You suffered, didn't you? I'm sorry. I couldn't save you. I'm sorry.
But you're suffering too, aren't you, Tanjiro? Get up. You don't need to suffer alone. I'm here too. Together, you and I can overcome this sadness. Don't you think?
That's right. I can't forget that we still have each other. Nezuko. That night, your humanity was torn away from you. But you still managed to hold on to one important thing. Your own life. Sabito's right. Go forward. There's nowhere else to go! I'll find a way to make Nezuko human again! I'll avenge my whole family! I made my decision when I picked up the sword! Now! Tanjiro!
Finally, you've grown into a real man.
If I gave up now, Nezuko would never go back to normal. Besides, Urokodaki has done so much for me. And I can't waste Makomo's training! Today's the day. I will defeat you! Let's go!
Now, show me what you can do!
That was nothing! No way! Let's try that again! Blood flowing through your body! Accelerate your heartbeat!
Soon, you'll know how strong you truly become. Will you fall to the ground once again? Or will you finally come out on top? Show me! Don't leave yourself open! If I were a demon, I'd have killed you already!
Sabito's right. Nothing's good.
It's time to finish this, Tanjiro! He's doing it. In that case. Total concentration! Water breathing! Fourth form! Striking time! A tie? Wait. No. Tanjiro is... There! The opening thread! Faster!
Keep winning, Tanjiro. You must defeat him.
The boulder. Where are Sabito and Makomo?
I didn't think you would actually do it. To be honest, I never had any intention of sending you to final selection. I couldn't bear to see any more children die. I was sure you wouldn't be able to cut through this boulder, but... Well done, my boy. Truly remarkable. I am proud, you know. Make sure you come back alive from final selection. Your sister and I will be waiting for you. Within the blaze burns a young man's determination, and with this in his heart, he walks the path of a demon slayer.